Today in the grain market, soybeans were lower. Improved weather for September really kind of stalled the market. There's no early freeze really on the horizon, and it eased some worries that it would been, which is kind of weighing on the futures right now. Traders have really lost faith that any trade negotiation is on the horizon, at least for 2019, and so they're expecting a little bit of easier volatility until Thursday. Everyone's kind of positioned. We're waiting. Some of the news came out. Some of the pre-news of just what our yields are going to be. They're about right where we thought they were. Unless there's a whopper of a number, we're going to see the market be a little bit more lackluster. But every report has been something different for the past 6 months. So there's nothing normal about these trades these days. So anything can happen. So we're going to watch closely for Thursday. I expect the market to bounce around a little bit until then. Corn was easier today too. USDA report is really on everyone's mind. It has the traders' attention. There is bearish expectations there, even though the White House is trying to increase the biofuel mandate to give support to that market. It really has stalled out and has moved sideways. We're just going to watch that closely. There is nothing happen unless we get some big news somewhere. I see the market just moving sideways until then. That being said, the market is a little bit oversold, so we could have a little bit of a technical pop between now and Thursday. And I think that's what happened in wheat. Wheat was higher today. Technical buying did push the futures a little bit higher, and it jumped midday double digits, which is kind of a surprise, but it continued to move through a lot of the resistance numbers, surpassing some of the technical numbers, which would then possibly bring on follow through buying. If it does, we can see the market start to move a little bit higher. The objective would be somewhere in the 520 range, but that's an awfully big bite, especially when the reports are that there's very big wheat supplies in Russia and in Europe. So those things may temper any kind of significant rally.